Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download music in YouTube Studio. Click Audio Library in the left sidebar to open the track list. Click into the Search or Filter Library field at the top and type Acoustic Guitar to filter the available tracks. Browse the results, and when you find a track you want, click the Download button on the right side of that track row. A Save File dialog opens. Choose where you want to save it and confirm. The track begins downloading, and you'll see a download notification appear at the bottom of your browser. Once the download completes, the notification icon changes to a file icon and the track is saved to your Downloads folder. All tracks in the audio library are free to use in your YouTube videos without copyright claims. If you want to preview a track before downloading, click the play button on the left side of the track row to hear a sample. You can filter by mood, genre, instrument, or duration using the filter options at the top of the page to narrow down your search. The downloaded files are MP3 format and ready to drop straight into your video editor. And that's how to download music in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.